how to log out Facebook on all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out Facebook on all devices. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the pop-up section, just scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now here, just under settings and privacy, just select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, just tap on account center. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, you can just tap on password and security. Now here in this section, simply scroll down and there you will see the option labeled as where you are logged in. So just select that option. And after that, you just have to select your Facebook account. And after that, on the next page, you will see the list of all the devices that your account is currently logged in. Now here, to log out all devices, you can just select devices to log out. And now here on the next page, you can just tap on select all option. And after that, you can just tap on log out and confirm your action by tapping on log out again. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.